Hi there, gorgeous! Hope you're having a fabulous day. In today's video, I am reviewing a new palette from Juvia's place called Violets. You guessed it. It's all purple. So many of you have been tagging me on this one on Instagram, and I want to say thank you so much. I'm so excited to be testing this for you, and thank you for bringing it to my attention. This is called Violets. It is a very cool toned, all purple palette. Now this one was out of stock for a little while. It was one that came in, went out, came back, and so I waited for a little bit to get it, but yeah. Today I'm going to be showing you this look that I'm wearing up close. You can see how to create a look with this palette. It's a very cool based purple look. There is one warm purple in this palette, but it's not filled with those pink shades. A lot of these purple palettes tend to have these red-based purples, but there are a lot of blue-based purples in this palette. So I'll show you everything up close, and I'll let you know at the end if it's worth getting or not. Ooh, I am excited for this palette. It's been a little while since I've been really excited for a palette, but the second that I got this in the mail, I could not wait to make this video. So before we get into the tutorial and I experiment with some of these eyeshadows, because I have not used them yet, so this is a kind of first impressions here for you, I'll show you what the palette looks like up close, and then I will show you swatches. A lot of cool purples. Yes, I'm so excited to see that a company has finally come out with a color range like this. There's a purple Morphe palette too that I've had a lot of questions about that I want to get and test out for a lot of you who've been asking me about it, so that may be coming soon in a future video also. But even when you look at that palette online, it looks like there are a lot of pinks in it, so I don't know. We'll still try it. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, I'm going to start with this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it on the lid. Look at that, look at that. Oh, when I swatched these, I was so amazed. I was excited, doesn't even begin to describe how I was feeling. And what a beautiful color of purple this is. It's almost lavender in a sense with, I don't know, it's a very cool purple. I'm loving it. I didn't have to apply those wet at all either. That is with just packing it onto the brush and applying it to my eyes. And then I'm going to take this shade from the palette, which is another cool toned purple. I wanted to use this one up here, but it's a little bit more of a red-based purple. It's still a really beautiful purple. I want to stay cool with this look. Applying this into the crease. I'm a little over all of these oranges and reds. I mean, they're great, don't get me wrong, but I want something different. And this one is, it's showing up. It's taking a little bit more layering as opposed to the first eyeshadow. That could be the color. It's not the formula so much because it's a very rich formula, but it could be the color against my skin tone. What's really pretty about that eyeshadow is that the second you start to blend it, you get two different tones. On the side where you're blending it, it turns into a different color. It's really pretty. I'm liking it. And finally, I am taking this really deep matte. Is it matte? Yes, it is matte. Cool blue-based purple. And I'm going to apply that to the outer third of the lid. Haha, yes. This is going to add a lot of definition into this look. Then I'm going in with a separate brush here, and I'm going to blend that from the outer V up into the outer crease and add a bit more definition. What I'm liking about this darker shade is that even though it appears really rich and really dark, especially in swatches, when you apply it, and it could be the amount I'm applying too, it's not as intense as the swatch. And I like that because it's a lot easier to work with than you might initially think. Same thing as the crease color. It's just so easy to blend and so smooth. I'm loving it. I love it. I'm going to go ahead and finish the eyes, show you the final look, and then give you the final review. Okay, I don't need to be the one to tell you this, but if you love purple and you've been looking for a cool toned purple palette, get this. It's wonderful. I can't even begin to describe to you the quality of the eyeshadows in here. They're so creamy, smooth, soft, easy to work with, extremely pigmented. Lovely all the way around, and I am so happy with this palette, and I can guarantee you that it's going to be one that I'm going to be using all throughout 2020. So when you see me wearing purple on my eyes this year, if they don't come out with any more purple palettes, it's going to be this one. It's just fabulous. Every single eye color can benefit from purple. It's one of those universal colors that flatters brown eyes, hazel eyes, blue eyes, green eyes. Whatever your eye color is, purples will make them stand out beautifully. So if you are a neutral lover, but you're looking to experiment with some color, I feel like purple is one of the best colors to do that with because it really draws the eyes out. So I hope that you found this helpful today. Let me know if you've had the opportunity to try this palette out. If you're interested, I'll have it linked for you below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.